If you're watching this video, chances are you're in a court battle over custody of your kids and you're worried about the possible outcome. Nothing is more important to you than your kids. And I know how stressful it is when a court is going to be making this decision for you. Hi, I'm Deborah Whitson, mediator and family law attorney. I've helped hundreds of clients navigate the uncertainty of litigated custody cases. In other videos on my website, I talk about things you can do to put your best foot forward when you're in custody court. But today, I want to share with you three of the most common mistakes that I see people making during their custody case so that you can avoid making them. Okay, the first mistake is trash talking the other parent to or around your kids. When your child hears you talk negatively about their other parent, it makes your child feel confused and conflicted and very upset. It can even make your child feel bad about himself. Kids have a tendency to internalize those negative messages they may hear from their parents. For many reasons, judges strongly disapprove of this type of behavior, and it will be held against you. So consider it your job to build up the other parent in your child's eyes because it is your job. That's what good parents do. Okay, here's the second mistake I want you to avoid. Don't overshare adult information. What do I mean by adult information? Well, for starters, if you have to ask yourself, is this adult information I'm sharing? Then the answer is probably yes. Your child doesn't need to know about the claims each of you are making in court, or about affairs, or who is paying or demanding child support. Your child should be allowed to be a child. And the adult world of court and legal battles should remain largely a mystery to your child. Your child may be aware that his parents are not getting along, and he may be aware that there's a custody dispute. But reassure your child that the adults are working hard to make decisions that will be best for him, and leave it at that. Mistake number three is turning your kids into decision makers. Let your kids be kids and don't put them in the middle of your custody battle. Believe me, they don't want to choose between the two of you. That is way too much pressure on a child. And young children, frankly, lack the maturity to make such important choices for themselves. Your children count on you to take care of the adult decisions. You don't let your child decide whether or not they'll go to school or whether they'll go to the dentist or the doctor or not. So don't ask them and don't empower them to decide who they want to visit and how often or where they want to live. If a judge learns that a parent is encouraging this in their children, it will most definitely backfire. Look, I hope this advice didn't come off as preachy or judgmental. If you haven't already figured it out, going to court over custody without a smart advisor and advocate in your corner is a little like flying blind. I know how much you have at stake when you're in a custody battle, and you may feel like you don't have control over the process or the outcome. Trust me, I know that feeling is common, and you don't have to go it alone. Our experienced team is here to help you. Click the link below to schedule a consultation.